Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and joining us. Yesterday we got all the floor joist out of here and got the registers, and stuff out of here. So yeah, this is what it looks like after we got the floor joist out. They look really good. Here is what the room looks like now. Got everything blocked off from the rest of the house. So there is a rock slab all the way around the foundation. There's actually two of them, one where the floor joists were sitting on and then one where the walls are sitting on. So we're not going to be touching that fireplace. That is all intact and we do not want to disturb that at all because that goes up 3 stories, goes all the way through the attic. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, and thanks for coming and watching the progress on this. So hang tight, we'll get rolling here. And we're going to be taking at least a couple of these lines out that we don't need. This was for the register there. I got to disconnect it here and we can pull this out. A couple of them we have to leave because they feed Kirsten's bedroom upstairs and the bathroom over here. So we'll leave those. I'm going to try to get a little bit of this cleaned up and then get a game plan for the rest of this stuff, because we've got to replace all this PEX line in here because we want this to come up through the floor. So let's get rolling on this. Okay. Yeah, these are old cast iron pipes that water was going through, and we're going to replace all this with PEX. Alright, that's one down. Let's see what else we can take out of here. Alright, we're going to cut these PEX ends off of here so we can pull this back through the tubing there, because we're going to be putting all new PEX in here anyway. So we'll just go ahead and get them cut, get them pulled out of here. Okay, these we can get fed back through, and then we'll get all new lines in here to replace this rest of this. Yeah, that looked like that was just a ledger board or something. Yeah. I'm going to need you to go in the basement and pull some of this PEX line through whenever you get a chance.
I'm going to do it now.
That's fine.
Hang on, because TV.
Just take your phone. Alright, we're going to get some of this PEX back through this pipe here. This is the game plan. That one.
Okay. Are you pushing?
I was hoping you could push, because I'm going to run out of room to push.
I'm hard. I'm a light. I'm dodging, and it's freaking tight right now.
Yeah. That'll get lighter.
Lighter, even looser.
Yeah.
No, which one.
Okay, next one is this one.
Oh, whoa. Oh, you don't have them hooked up to the thingy?
No.
I didn't realize that they all came up away from the main manifold thing.
Yep.
Ouch.
Yeah, they can take them out of there too if you can.
Well, I can't because I don't have those cover things.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, grab the next one.
yeah.
Right there.
I want to keep it down for the hitting the light, like hanging here.
Yeah.
Okay, now what?
Let's see here. This one. Okay, that's it. Okay. I think that'll do it. Now, I say we cut a piece of board, fit right over that. $35 3/4. It's gonna get big. So 81. Okay, let me go. Let me go get this cut, and I'll be back. Okay, I got two of the board cut. The top one is going to be a little bit funky, so I'll wait and do that when we get there. I am going to put this water membrane in here. Help seal it up even a little bit more. This is about the same stuff. Well, in fact, it is. It's the same stuff we use at the other house, but it's to encapsulate crawl space. So it's about the same stuff that we're going to put down here. But this is leftover that we had from another project. And we're just going to use it here. Alright, you ever had one of those projects that just takes way longer than it should? Well, this is one of them. This is one of them. Way longer than it should have. course, my battery is dead. You gotta be kidding me. I do have another one of those down here. Oh, you know, I think there was one in the middle, too. Yeah, well. So we got 24 3/4 overall. Let me go cut this down. 24.5 to the top. That's 25. Good grief. What did I say, 25? If I could see. Right. And then 14 and a half up. Alright, I'm getting this last piece up here, I guess, screwed in, and hopefully we can call this done. Okay. I grabbed. Okay, well, grab something. Alright, there we go. I think we're gonna call that a wrap for tonight. Didn't get as much done as I hoped. But that was important to get that done. Of course. Of course. I wanted that right there. It's a good spot.